Apartment construction noise solutions. Well, you finally nailed the apartment of your dreams. Perfect floor plan, affordable rent. Agreeable neighbors, and even a pro-pet policy that ensures your dog Rufus can come along. So what's the catch? How about the sudden influx of bulldozers, construction workers, and that ever-present beep 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 backup noise? Yes, your dream. Rental situation has just met a formidable foe, the construction crew. If the construction was in process prior to your signing of the lease, obviously the blame rests on your own weary shoulders, so be sure to tour the apartment community grounds prior to putting your name on the dotted line. Insist upon seeing the actual apartment you will be moving into, as opposed to just a similar model floor plan. And be sure to look out all windows for signs of construction in your neck of the woods. Remember to ask the apartment management if any known construction is planned for the coming months, as well as you might save yourself some future headaches by being proactive. Assuming you are already moved in and the lease is signed, your course of action options might be limited. If the construction is being done on site, then speaking with your apartment community manager could work wonders. See if you can switch to another empty apartment located away from the noise, or at the very least get an estimated end date so you can begin counting down on the calendar. Apartment communities are generally hesitant to disrupt their renters, so with any luck the construction will be completed quickly, and odds are very good that the work will be limited to 9-5 work day. Hours. If you happen to reside near a public highway, you might find yourself in a bit of a pickle, depending on the heat of your climate. Many work crews work at night, and the projects can drag on for a hair-pulling amount of time. Still, there's no reason to despair. Dark block.